Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use eBay International Shipping. eBay got rid of their global shipping program and they replaced it with the even better and easier to use eBay International Shipping. In short, that means that if you are an eBay seller and you are eligible for this new program, you can have your items for sale worldwide. And when an item does sell to an international buyer, eBay handles most of the process. They will handle returns, complaints, and most customer service claims that come along with selling internationally. If all that sounds good to you and you are interested in learning more about how all of this works, keep watching because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. Enrolling in eBay International Shipping is pretty much an automatic process if your seller level on eBay is above standard or top rated. There is nothing you need to do to start using EIS unless you have manually opted out. In the past, you are already enrolled and it will display on all of your eligible listings to buyers. In all of the qualifying countries, if your seller level happens to be below standard at the moment, you are going to have to work on that first. And as you know, eBay continuously monitors seller performances. So once they see that you have moved from below standard to at least above standard in the seller level, then they will automatically add EIS to your account and to all of your listings. They will send you an email letting you know when this happens. But you can always check yourself if you are enrolled or not. On the eBay website, hover over your name and select account settings. From this menu, you are going to scroll down and select shipping preferences. Here, where you will see your status, it will say enroll if you are, and you can always opt out using this blue hyperlink button. In order to use EIS, your package as a whole must weigh 44 pounds or below. And the max length for this package is 48. And when it comes to the contents inside the package, all you have to do is make sure that the item is valued at more than $2,500. From there, eBay takes care of figuring out what you can and can't sell. In all of the different countries, they won't apply EIS to items that don't qualify eBay as an international shipping hub. In Illinois, all EIS shipments are sent to that facility, so when one of your items sells to a buyer in a different country, all you have to do is send your packaged item to that international shipping hub facility address that eBay will give you. When it comes to the shipping cost of an international sale, nothing changes. It works just like if you were shipping a package domestically. It's as if the buyer lived at the eBay International Shipping Hub. So, if you normally charge for shipping, the buyer will pay the cost of shipping from your location to the eBay facility. If you normally offer free shipping, then you will pay the shipping cost from your location to the eBay facility. Once your package arrives to the hub, they will weigh it and scan it, create another label, and ship it to the international buyer, and most cases the buyer will get the package exactly as you packaged it. That right here completes your international sale. As far as you are concerned, anything that comes after that will be between eBay and the buyer. eBay handles all of the shipping costs and protocols. From that point forward, if the item is arriving late or if it never arrives, even if the customer wants to return the item, they will have to contact eBay to do that. The item will not come back to you. eBay will take the item and they will refund the buyer for it. To recap, there are no extra fees you have to pay to sell your items worldwide. On eBay, and there are no extra steps you have to take either. All you have to do is send your package to the eBay International Shipping Hub, and from there, it's like a normal sale, except you don't have to deal with returns or any issues that may arise from that particular sale. If you want to watch more eBay tutorials and selling tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question, doubt, or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this video.